Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete your ManyChat account. Alright, so first up, go log into your ManyChat account at app.manychat.com. And then once you're in here, review your profile or account, make sure that this one is the account that you would like to delete. And then once that's done, go ahead and click on Settings. Under Settings, we have here General. And under General, in the right panel, we have here Delete Account. Okay, so just click on this option and it says here, select the channel associated with your account. Yours may be different right here in this section. Okay, you may be able to see so unsubscribe first or even delete your team, something like that, or some other options. Just follow simple prompts from here. We'll have to complete all the steps below. So again, select the channel, for example, Messenger right here. We will have to disconnect it first, okay, and then remove. Type down remove. You'll have to do it to all of your channels right here, unfortunately. Okay, Messenger done. I think I have Instagram right here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and remove it. Remove. Click on both of these check boxes. Confirm. Wait for it. Now go ahead and go back to General. Scroll all the way down. Delete. Delete. Okay. Delete. And once that's done, you're good to go. Now, if you want to delete your whole profile, okay, for example, right here, when I click on it, I still have my email right here under ManyChat. Now, if you want this one to be deleted, you'll have to contact ManyChat support. Okay, so you'll have to request the deletion of your information under their company. And that is it. That is how you delete your ManyChat account. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.